How to get the total value of a sales amount separated by commas. You could do it manually, but it would take a long time, especially if there are many numbers. Instead, let's use the sum and text split functions. In the cell, type the equal sign followed by sum. Then use a double negative to convert the numbers into numeric values. Next, use text split to split the numbers. And select the value. For the column delimiter and row delimiter, leave them blank. Then close the formula and press Enter. Copy your formula to other cells. And now we've got the total value of each set of numbers. Share this video and follow for more tutorials.
Don't manually type percentages. Instead, select Field. Right-click, go to Quick Analysis, Totals, Percent of Totals.
Boss, how did you create these color-coded drop-down menus? Easy. Select the cells. Open Data Validation. Add a new rule. Insert drop-down values and select a color. Now just select a value.
You have to stop creating borders in Excel like this. It's so slow. Instead, just highlight the area you want, then go to Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. Now you want to click here before selecting your first cell and clicking F4 on your keyboard twice. Then go to Format, Border, and select Outline. Now just click OK twice and you're all set. Comment free down below and I'll send you my free shortcut guide for Excel. How you can create this diagram in Excel in only 20 seconds. First, highlight a list of names and hit Ctrl+C. Then go up to Insert, Illustrations, and Smart Art. Now go to Hierarchy and select your design. Hit OK, and let's focus on this window right here. You want to delete this text before pasting your list of names. Now highlight names and use the Tab key on your keyboard to differentiate the levels. When you're done, simply close this window and make sure to follow me for more Excel tutorials.
Don't transfer data from a picture like this. Go to the Data tab. Choose from Picture, then Picture from File. Select the picture to open. Let Excel load the data. Review the data for any errors. Fix any mistakes. Insert the data. Like and follow for daily tips.
99% of Excel users don't know how to use equals to call, so let me show you how to use it. Let's say that you have 10 lists of names in Excel and you want to combine these lists into one big vertical one. Well, instead of manually copying and pasting your values like so, which can take a lot of time, just do this. First type equals and then to call and then type an open parentheses, and then for the array just select the entire range of lists over here without the headers, and then you can close it off, press enter, and that's going to automatically create that vertical list of all of these names for you. If you want to improve your Excel efficiency, you need my 26 need to know Excel shortcuts cheat sheet. Just comment Excel and I'll DM it to you.
Boss, how did you create this sales dashboard? Easy. Insert a pivot chart. Select the chart location. Enter the chart fields. Hide the pivot table. Insert a slicer. Select representative. Reposition the slicer. Increase columns to 4. Format the slicer. Select the new format. Done.
How do you multiply this kind of data? If you use a direct multiplication, it will just result in an error. You could also do it manually, but if you have many numbers to multiply, it could take a long time. Instead, follow this trick. In the cell, type the percentage value, followed by the price multiplied by the quantity. Press Ctrl+E to apply it to the other items. Then, highlight everything. Press Ctrl+F. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Choose Replace. In Find What, make sure to enter the percentage sign, and in Replace With, enter the equal sign for the formula. Then click Replace All. Click OK. And close the dialog box. Now you have the correct answer. Don't forget to share this video and follow for more.
Here's a quick Excel tip for you. If I select these two columns and hit Alt F1, I get a chart. If I then decide I want to include this column, I just select it, copy, and paste it in. Next!
Don't enter data like a noob. Instead, do this. Select the header, then go to the Quick Access toolbar. Find Form, add it, and click OK. Now you can enter your data using the form. That's it. Send this video to your boss to get a raise.
It is very easy to get all of the Wi-Fi passwords off of a Windows-based computer. And here's how you do it. From a command line, you're going to run netsh wlan show profile. This will give you a list of all of the Wi-Fi profiles that are on your computer. I'll use a hotel for an example in this case. To get the password for one of these Wi-Fi networks, we run netsh wlan show profile, name equals the name of whatever the Wi-Fi network is, and then we're going to put key equals clear so we get the password in clear text. And here is the Wi-Fi password for that network.
Don't track progress by hand.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Instead, use this new feature. Select the range and press Alt+NC1 to add checkboxes. Now go on the first cell and type this formula. That's it. Now you can track your progress. Did you know this hack?
Want to do data entry with the help of VBA macro like this? See here, I got this entry. Let's see how we can create this. What you have to do is just go to Developer tab. Now click on Record Macro. You will get this pop-up. Just give it a name. Click on OK. Right click here. Go to Insert. Select entire row. Now copy this text. Paste it as transpose and remove this text. Now stop recording. Now your macro is recorded. Just go to Insert in Developer tab and insert one button. Assign a macro of update. Click on OK. Rename it as update. Now if you type any entry here like this, And if you click on update, your entry will be updated here. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much for watching.
My boss was drawing logos like a noob.
Oh, hell.
I had to stop him immediately. Click this cell and insert this formula. Now copy and paste the formula to other cells. That's it. Did you know this hack?
Boss, how did you create this calendar in Excel? I got you. Enter this function. Format the dates. Enter this custom format. Create a new rule. Enter this formula. Select format. Now just select any month and year.
Inventory is boring.
If you think inventory is boring, here's a way to make the reporting more fun and useful. Click on the cell where you want to display the report and enter this filter formula. Next, copy the formula used for in-stock items and change the condition from greater than to equals. This will display only the items that are out of stock. Now, when you update your stock levels, the filtered results will automatically update.
Win, win, win.
Thanks for watching. Leave a comment with the word shortcuts and I'll send you our free guide with over 270 Excel shortcuts.
Stop looking up data like a noob.
Bruh.
Instead, do this. Go to the cell and type the XLOOKUP function. Select the lookup value, the lookup array, and the range with all the results. Type -1 so it won't look for an exact match. And that's it. Did you know this hack?
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
I just found out how to create this search bar in Excel.
Oh my God!
Click Developer and Insert. Select Text box and position it on the screen. Now right-click, select Properties, and put the cell as reference. And now it's time to put this secret formula. Type Filter, select the range with data, and now input IS number. and search. Type the same cell that you used as a reference and the range with the names. Share this hack with your manager to get a raise. I just found out how to create this search bar in Excel.
Oh my God!
Click Developer and Insert. Select Text Box and position it on the screen. Now right-click, select Properties, and put the cell as reference. And now it's time to put this secret formula. Type Filter, select the range with data, and now input IsNumber and search. Type the same cell that you used as a reference and the range with the names. Share this hack with your manager to get a raise.
How to perform a two-way lookup in Microsoft Excel. Select the result cell and enter the formula equals index function, then select the range of possible return values. Next, for the second argument, add the match function, then select the first lookup value. Select the range of possible lookup values and add a 0 to force an exact match. Now close parentheses and add a comma. Now for the third argument, add the match function again, select the second lookup value, select the range of possible lookup values, and add a 0 to force an exact match. Finally, close parentheses twice and press enter. You now get the results for your two-way lookup in Excel.
Stop using the sum function in Excel. It could be giving you the wrong answers. If you have data like this and you've used the sum function to add up all the values below, look what happens when you filter the data for strawberry ice cream. The value doesn't change as it calculates the specified range regardless of any filters applied. So this is where we can use aggregate instead. We can calculate many different values including averages, counts, maximum values, and many more. But we will select 9 for sum. Next, we're able to select from a list of 7 options on what we want to ignore, and what you select here will depend largely on how your data is structured. I'll choose option 5 to ignore hidden rows only. The final required argument is the array, which is simply the sales values. Now as I change the filters, my value updates too.
Don't highlight rows like this.
Bruh.
Instead, do this. Select the range you want to highlight. Go to Conditional Formatting and select New Rule. Input this formula. Once done, go to Format and pick a color. Right-click on the tab, select View Code, and type this code. And that's it. Did you know this hack?
Make this amazing cylinder chart in Excel to impress your friends. First, get difference percentage by this formula. Now select your table and go to Insert, then choose 3D Cylinder. Click on Chart Elements, then unselect all the options. Now click on upper part of chart line, then go to Format Data Series and Solid Fill and select white color. Then go to Series option, then select Cylinder option. Now change gap width to 60%, then select Last Material. Now choose each cylinder different colors. Now select the main chart area, then go to 3D rotation, make X rotation to 0 and Y rotation to 10. Go to Format, then choose Shape Fill to No Fill and Outline to No Outline. Right-click on upper cylinder, then choose Data Labels. Adjust size and color. Now make a text label.
Stop typing out responses like a noob. Instead, do this. Enter this AI function. Enter the prompt to send to AI. Select the review, and that's it. Did you know this hack?
Here's a cool way to add timestamps to a checklist in Excel. Go to File, Options, Formulas, and enable Iterative Calculation. Select this range, go to the Insert tab and click the checkbox button. Select the cell where the timestamp will appear and enter the following formula. This formula returns the current date and time with the Now function if the checkbox is checked and blank if unchecked. This formula would typically return a circular reference, but the iterative calc prevents that. Double-click the fill handle to copy the formula down. Once you start checking the checkboxes, the current date and time will automatically appear. You can also use spacebar to tick the checkboxes. And there you have it, a payment tracker that automatically records timestamps in Excel. Follow us for more Excel tips.
Top 5 Excel functions you need to know. Sequence returns a numbered list. Unique removes duplicate values. Filter filters data based on a criteria. Sorts data based on an indexed column. XLOOKUP looks up a value in an array and returns a corresponding value.